So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn about Unreal Engine 5. It's full of basics. We're going to advanced level and creating many projects. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to just get the Epic game. Well, I'm not like giving the detail of the tutorial in it, but you have to just get the Epic launcher. Yeah, the Epic launcher installer. After getting the Epic Launch installer, you have to just install it. Basically, you have to just sign in it, create an account. It's easy, creating an account. After creating the account, you have to just go to the Unreal Engine, press the plus icon, get the latest one or get what you want, 5.5, 5.4. I have 5.5 and I have 5.3. I use one of my projects. So let's get started. So first for the 5.5, how to create a project. So there's a various ways. There are lots of ways. I basically prefer to get the launch the project from here. Press the launch. It will just take time. It's like showing it's launching the project. After it will take some time, and yeah, first of all you should install it. Make sure you just install it. After that you can just have this. So once it's launching, getting some time. After it's taking some time, it will like pop up like this. After like launching your particular engine, you can use on your requirements or preferences. So first of all, how we will start with third person. So let's get started with it. You can just give your project name here for my project, or you can just have your custom name here, my first project. And make sure there's something like it should not be like, if I show you, it should not be more than 20 characters, and it should not contain any spaces in it or any other symbols. Just remember this. Just make an like for the new beginners that can make a problem. So it should be a very simple. My first project, you can just customize the location. Where do you want to store? You can create a new folder or like wherever you want. Then basically, I have one project that and a file access that always opens in Unreal Engine projects. So you can just create it, customize it, and just have to hit create. So for your information, what is the starter content? Starter content is nothing but the some of the assets or pre-assets that are given by the Unreal Engine itself. So that is also very useful. So it will like take some time. Yeah, it is like installing. Let it be installing, and once the editor will open, then we will start with your tutorial. So we're gonna start with once you've got the you're in the level now. Yeah. So after just launching and opening it, it will compile to take some time, and you are in the third person template. So first of all, we're gonna learn about Unreal Engine, that about all the basics things. Yeah, for the basic things. So if you're like know about the very basic similar things, like what is viewport, what is outliner, how to drag and drop, how to move the mouse, how to control the system, so you can just skip it and go for the forward ahead ahead tutorials, and forward tutorials. You can just forward the video. And for now, if you're a complete beginner, so you can just stay tuned and learn what I'm saying. So follow it very nicely. So first of all, for you, like this is called as a viewport. That what you are looking here, it is a viewport. That you can see the objects here, and this all things here, boxes, cubes, and the sky, this cloud. This is a viewport. First of all, this is a viewport, and after this is outliner. Outliner is mainly the list of all the actors in the scene which are like included. Like this is a boxes, so you can get it. This is a cube. This is a different cube. This is a different cube. All the objects. What is this? This is a sky. So we have selected. We can get the sky, some sky sphere. This is skylight. This is sky atmosphere. Of course, post-process volume. This is going to control our lighting systems. So we're gonna come on this also, but we are now just like we are just talking about this function. So this is our viewport and this is our outliner that consists all the things that are in the game. And next is the detail panel. Detail panel consists that the object which we are selected or which we select, we want to know the detail about it. So it is perfect detailing about all the selected object. Like this is a play start. A play start means the game will our player game the main player will start the starting positioning, or how he will start the game. If I just press the screen button, play this level, so we can do it with Alt P also. So you can see this is the exact position where the player starts. This is the player location starting location with the player start, and now we can continue. So yeah, after this, getting so yeah, this is our player start. So this is where we are in the detail panel. So detail panel is nothing much properties of the selected object. So for like getting this, we need to get the detail pair of this cube. We click on it, and we just press on detail. So this is a sim cube. This is the static mesh, and the element of this we can search it here also. So we will come upon this. What is this? This is some content browser. So once it is done, we are like ahead of going in the content drawer. So what is this? This is simply the assets. It's simply the place where all the assets are concluded, or all the assets are kept in the different folders. Like this is a character. This is where our characters, and this is like different materials which are used in it. Materials, meshes, and textures. This is a starter content which gives lots of things. We gonna we're gonna see this also. There's a third person template which we have downloaded to use it. So for now, this is what is like a basic of it. So first of all, you understand what is viewport, outline, and detail panel and content. So now we will learn that how to control this all things like with mouse. So first of all, if I want to just look around like this, up, down, or right or left, I will just press the right mouse button. I will just press the right mouse button, which I will just kept it pressed, and I will just move towards the right, left, up and down. It will be controlled very easily. By like now, this is the same process. By clicking right click, we can just go around, look around, and by pressing W, we will go forward. By pressing S, we will go back. By pressing A, we will go right, left, and by pressing D, we will go right. By pressing E and right click, on all these functions, we have to click the right. We have to press the right mouse button, and after that, we will just press E to go up. The right click should be pressed and of the mouse, and just Q to come down. This is some of the basic things we can just understand by the mouse left click, and we are here using it. By mouse right click, we can just go hover around here, and we also can do the same thing with the left click also. And by the left click, one more thing we can do is we can just go like forward and backward. Like if I want to go towards the cube, there are several methods. First, select it, and just double click, you will come here like this way. Or else if you are here and I want to go towards the cube, with another method, by just right click it, just set your position, and by left clicking you can come here, and by pressing the scroll button we can come down, or else you can just press EQ to come down. It's like in some like while doing some projects, completing this tutorial, you will learn, and like you can like what your muscles memory will build it, and it's very easy. If you have an experience, it is very easy. In starting you will find some tough, but it is very easy. You can hover around like this, right click, and yeah, you have done. We're done with the very simple basics. First step, we can just hover around it and just move around with the right click, left click to go forward and backward, scroll to go down and up, scroll button should be pressed. We can just scroll it, scroll button should be like rolled, and we can just go front and back like this also. So there's some more things which are like used in it. So now if we go here to select, is saying the Q. So if we want to just select it, so we will press Q, or just go to here and just select it. And if you get the translate object, select translate object by W. If we press the W or by clicking it, we can just transpose this position easily, and that was the position easily. And so if we go to the detail panel, so we can get the location. So for changing the location, we can just we are having this three axis, z axis, y axis, and x axis. So we can just change the position, and the positioning will be changed. This, and after doing this, नहीं चल रहा है लाइट चला गया तो भी कंप्यूटर चल रहा है yeah. So yeah, so x-axis, and if we change the value of it, we can say change the value of it. If I put 800, so it will automatically change the position. There's some ways to just change the position, and we can just keep it according our requirements. We can just show it, and yeah, it's done. So we can use this for transferring the position. We can press E to rotation. We can rotate it by pressing E. I just come here and just click this button, so we can just rotate it as we want. And for scaling it, we can just scale it like this, and we can scale it in any axis we want, like this. This is something like which is very, very important things for creating like any assets or level. By the way, and for using for this is like snapping. Snapping is like somewhat you can say that it will snap every at the 10 every the 10 point, like it's a 10 length of 10th, like it will snap the object as every angle, which is like if we change the angle at the 30 from 20, so it will like have a stop there then to show that the 10 it's changing. And the scaling property is also like this. If I just enable it and just try to move it, so you can see that it is snapping like it, and I will show you a great thing. And for rotation, this is like it's enabled, and you can see it snapping is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If I just disable it and start to snap it, you can see this is like a very smooth one. So this is actually basically used in it for this property. If it's like snapping, and if I just close it off, it's like smooth one. You can see. So for scaling also, this is for scaling. This is not disabled, so this we can scale it very smoothly. So yeah, this is some more basic things. And for increasing the speed of mouse. How to increase or decrease the speed of mouse? We have to control it. So we will come to the here camera speed. Yeah, we click here and we will just decrease it. I'll show you. You can see the mouse like going very slowly. For right clicking and for pressing W, it's very slowly. If I just roll the scroll, if I just scroll button, you rotate the scroll button, the speed, you can see the changes in the speed. This is changing the speed. And if I just press the speed to 3.3, increase it, so you can see the speed. We are very fast. So yeah, this is like some different uses according to use. You can use it according to your use. And yeah, this is one. And this is also very okay. So for now, we will keep it one. In case if this is things are like these things are happened to you, so you can just double click it or on any object, you are back here. So double click on object and you are back here. So this was the basic of the like viewport you are seeing here, and we will now go ahead and more details and various things. The scalability, you can change it to the like low, medium, and epic, high. This is like all the resolutions at which you are seeing it. So it's mandatory. It's depend on you. I prefer to keep it medium for development part, and for the like when the project is out, I just optimize it for according to requirement. This is somewhat like we can just get the info about what were the properties and what are the like information. We can just get the changes and what all the properties are here. So for example, like if you want to see the camera, disable the camera, you can disable the camera. For example, if in the cloud, you don't want to cloud, you can see it like without clouds. And if you want to like show the clouds, so you can get it. And for the atmosphere, this is like without atmosphere, this is atmosphere. And if you want to see like collision, what is the perfect? Like, collision means like the player is like getting collide with it. So this is our collision. Yeah, you can see it all the purple color lines. This is all our collisions that a player is getting collided with it, and we can just get to show it collision decals, and we can see that without fog. This is fog, right? You can disable it. So this all these things are like different things with static meshes. All the static meshes go. So if I press it, the static mesh, it will come back. So these are all the static mesh, skeleton mesh, which is having the rigged. You can in this tutorial you will learn like step by step all the things, the speed, and watch carefully. So for now, this is like for basics are done. After the basics, we will go to the content drawer and try to learn that what is this. In this content drawer, this is first of all we have a content, we have different things. It will be there. It will be like, there's in this. It will be there here in the files. And if you want to get anything in this, if you want to add or remove anything in this project, or you have to just add anything in project, or if you want to do any changes in this project, the content comes in use. And you can see the content, see the folder. After getting the folder, we can have the different materials. After getting the different materials, if there's two similar way, first of all we can create textures of materials, and we can use it for like different diagram. We can just drag and drop it and just get to know how it's looking. Yeah, it's looking like a bricks. You get if you just drag and drop. If I just drag and drop the grass, so it will look like a grass. It will guys getting compiled shade. So you can like you can have changes, and you can hover here and just have a look at what you can change. If you want a metal gold here, you can get a gold. This so this is a totally depend upon you. This is a basic things. So just we want a word here, so we will just put a word here. Yeah, so word flow like this. You can go on, and you can change this like think basic material things. So how to put on material? We can do it like this only. So like this was the basic of getting the materials things done here. And after this, we can have the particle system here. Particle, if how to understand like particle, this is free things. We can just have a fire somewhere like here. Let's increase the fire length here. For example, like this. Yeah, you can see. If I just play a press button here, so you can just have a look. It's looking really good. This is scalability is a medium level, so you can just ignore it for now. So it's like, yeah. So like this was the basic thing. Yeah. This is happening because of the mass of this object, particularly object. We can move it because we have not increased the mass, we just increased the scalability. So it is like it's just the mass is the same as the small one, like here. You can see. So yeah. So let's get into it and move ahead in this tutorial. So for now, I just deleted. Spiral system takes like a little bit more of your GPU. So how to now in this next movie how to get anything new object in this in your screen. So you have to just come to the like folder which you have created, or how we will learn how to import the particular object in the Unreal Engine and import it or like use it. So for that we will have this table here, like here, and yeah, we have the table here. You increase or decrease, it's on you. Like increase it, you have the table here. You want this, you can just select this and keep it here. So yeah, you can understand these basic things that if once it's done, so it's you can view it by pressing Alt P. You can start getting start with this. So yeah, this is a table. This is some more like table things, and you can jump out. This is all this collision properties. So yeah, this how you can just add an object in your scene. Different assets what you want to add on screen. After this, we gonna go with the things of like of atmosphere, environment. So for environment, we'll go one by one. What is all these things? So first of all, we'll go add this, and this is a sky atmosphere. If I just press Control X, so this is like somewhere like this. I just delete it for like 1 second, and like this is sky atmosphere. We can just say Control Z. We can go to get it back, or else if you want a new. So how to get this sky atmosphere for a new level? For by going just this quickly add to the object. We'll go to the we go to so skylight. Yeah, this is skylight. Sky atmosphere will be at the yeah visual effects. In the visual effects, we will go to sky atmosphere. We'll add them. For we can get all these things like same. For this is a direct lighting. If we just press Control X, all the light is like disappear. If we want it, we will go to the basics. So in lighting, and we got the directional lighting, and here we again. So yeah, after getting this directional lighting, this is directional lighting, and this is, I guess this is the fog. Yeah, this is a volume cloud. I'll show you this the clouds which are here. We give this can be getting from this here. Same and the visual effects. What volumetric clouds. This is like a good thing, and the most important axis is exponential. So the most important thing, exponential height fog. Fog is one of the things that makes your game look like more dense or more better. I give you one of the tests, like simple things. It's not anything like hard anything. So for the volume, if I just change the volume, so you will see the changes in large scale. So this is our fog, and if you want to see what the changes can be done to the fog, so on the fog we've just come to here, and fog density, we can increase or decrease it. So if I press it to 2, it will be like a very dark atmosphere. You can see it. Wow. It's like full of fog here. You can see it. If I just, but it takes a lot of GPU power, as it is like it is because it's fog and it's just cover all this your viewport, game viewport. So if I just decrease it fog, you can see it. Maybe if I increase it, so increases to 5, it's like more dense. And this is follow that how much the fog density should be in your present in your camera, and as per the distance as we go ahead, so it will differ. So now it is done for the fog, and if I just change the color of the fog to show you like more things, like this is somewhat like a good atmosphere thing. So we get a red atmosphere with like a dangerous, like it's a cinematic. You can understand. That's looking good, by the way. So this is somewhat like uses of fog. If I just increase the density again of the fog, so it will look like a very horrific, like somewhat of horrific. And so if I just press it to 10, I want it to. So it's like okay, it's like more dense thing. And if I decrease the fall off, so now it's looking actually good. As the so if it's somewhat like a default, we can just change everything according to our requirements. Everything. For the skylight, if we want a darker color, it's like somewhat like dark blue something. So you can get it. And yeah, and for the directional light, if you want something like very good, dark, like this, very bright skylights, you can get it. Or if we want a dark atmosphere, we will again select the directional light, and we will just press it here, like this, like somewhat like I guess yeah, this was looking so good, by the way. For the different perspective of the game, if you want to make a horror game, you can just decrease it, and the light should be red or a dark atmosphere like this. Yeah, and just increase. This is like some way of testing it. This is just for it. Oh, it's looking good, by the way. So yeah, this is all about the lighting, the basic of lighting. So this was just a basic of lighting. So now we just Control Z everything. Back at a scene. Control Z, like it can just process undo all you have done the garbage. So now we are ready with it, and we will like save it. Yeah, we don't need anything to be changed here for now. And now we're gonna learn about the lighting systems. So if we want to create a sunset settings like this, we will press Alt and we will like go with this is like, oh my god, like this is uh, a morning, good morning, good afternoon, good night. So let's go with this simple process of like this. Uh, okay, and this darkness. So in this darkness, we're gonna like Alt. We have just pressed Alt L to do this. Right Alt and L. And after this, if we want to create some lighting in it, if there's no light, for example, I just delete everything. So X, not as there's no lighting here. It's completely dark and you see it. Oh, wow, it's looking so good. The reflection is looking good. So if we need some lighting on the player or anything like property, so we can do one thing to create a beautiful setup, a small setup. For example, this is like lighting background, and if we want light, so we'll go here. Again, quickly add to the products button, and with the basics we can get a point light here. And if specifically you want to think different lights, so you have different lights here. Directional light, I already taught you about it. The point light as a light that focus on a particular object. Spotlight, giving the spot, yeah, this name differs, it's just a spotlight. Reflection light, it gives a reflection of a light. And skylight, it's already used it. So we will go with this all three. This is like a point light. Uh, yeah, this is a point light. This will be a spotlight here, and this will be our reflection light. So after this, we will go one by one, all this three. So let's bring the point light here. If we like have a point light here, so press Control X, Control X. Yeah, the point light is here, and we can just change the intensity of the point light according to our requirements. And we can just have the color, like if we want a red, green, that's looking actually good, or like bluish, different lighting according to our requirements. The attention radius, like this radius considers that if like how distance the light to be traveled, like if we want to keep it small and these are different more like more things affect world and cast shadow. So if you don't want basically to cast a shadow like the shadow of a player, it is better to keep it close because it takes a low light to build lights. If there's no need, you should be like keeping it close. It depends on you. So if you want it, you can just keep it. And yeah, if you can, if you want to just have the particular distance, that which distance you have to travel and what the light should be seen, you can also control it with these, like one of the most good setting. So for now, the point light is done. If we go here and just have it, yeah, this is somewhat like a studio. It's looking somewhat like a studio. Yo, bro, have a good photo here. Yeah, this is like somewhat a point light. And the spotlight and all these things works the same. If I just show you one more, like having a spotlight here, it will give a more like more of getting good vision here. Same again to have this, adjust your mouse and have the intensity to good intensity and having that color of anything what you prefer like this now. So now if I just go in it, yeah, this is somewhat like a spotlight. Yeah, you can see the reflections here. Shadows, so just casting a shadow. If you want, you can just keep it close. So yeah, this was the basic of the lighting. So yeah, In this video, we will have continued a lot of things. So in this next part, we're gonna continue more about the basics of Unreal Engine. If you liked it, you just hit the subscribe, like and subscribe channel, and yeah, you can learn more. So keep watching my video. Thanks for watching.